Hey, ladies and gents, welcome to our final week of Shakespeare. The internet is out at my house again, so back at the coffee shop to record this last video for you. Uh, wow, it has been a crazy quarter, and I'm so excited to see how this wraps up for us. We finished The Tempest. I've had a chance to kind of peek through some of your ideas in your essays, and I'm just blown away by your analysis. Like, just really tremendous work, guys. Fabulous, fabulous work. And it's fun to be able to end our quarter on The Tempest, as that was the play that Shakespeare ended his career on. So it feels very fitting that we kind of wrap up our time together the way Shakespeare wrapped up his time on the stage. So hopefully you enjoyed The Tempest. Lots to work with. I love the fact that both Hamlet and The Tempest, our last two plays, are built on this idea of revenge, of righting the wrongs, of doing all this, but they have very, very different endings. And one of the things that kind of propels this positive momentum forward in The Tempest and prevents it from being a tragedy like Hamlet is this idea of love and the way that it makes things better. And so I love that Shakespeare gives us this little hopeful note at the end of his career. And I hope that we can hang on to that hope as we round out our quarter together. So this week, we just have a couple things to do. Today, you have our very last discussion board. Uh, this one is one of my personal favorites. It makes me smile every time I look at it. So hopefully you enjoy it as well. Um, we are going to play FMK with Shakespeare characters. If you have played this game before, I know that the F doesn't normally stand for friend, but we are going to change it for the class just to make it more everyone friendly. Um, so, what I want you to do is to think about all of the plays we've read this quarter, all of the characters that you enjoyed or maybe didn't enjoy, and then we'll play this game. So, tell me who you would most want to be a friend with. Um, from the quarter. I like Viola. I think she's spunky, and so she's the one I would pick for friend. Mary, I would choose Puck because you would never ever be bored. Um, Life would be exciting. And kill, I would kill Claudio from Much Ado About Nothing. I know that this category, I can think of a lot of people. Claudio just makes me really mad, though, so I think that's why I would put him here. Mostly because, like, he trusts Don John when he has no reason to. He should have stood by Hero, and he doesn't. He could have had a conversation with her, and he doesn't. Just like, bah, icky, icky Claudio. So, so I would put him in this category. Once you've picked your characters, then you are going to expand on that a little bit. So, write a paragraph describing why and give at least two quotes that kind of back up why you would pick them as your person in this category. Very excited to see what you guys come up with for this. So, that is due today. That's going to be our last discussion board. We have one final quiz. This is kind of an overview quiz where you get to show off what you've learned for the quarter. It is not quite as in depth as some of the other things we've had to do. It's more like overarching ideas. Um, so we'll be talking about sonnets and the plays. It will be mostly multiple choice. It says closed book. If you need to use your book, like feel free to peek, but I think you can do it without the book. So give that a shot. That'll be tomorrow. And then our very last thing is just a reflection quiz. This should come pretty quickly. Um, this is kind of my chance to make the class better, so I really appreciate your honest feedback here. Um, I've been giving you feedback all quarter, and this is your chance to give me feedback. Because just like a student is a process of growing and becoming stronger in certain areas and honing your skills, teaching is exactly the same way, or at least it should be. Um, we should be continually examining what we're doing and trying to make it better for every class that we do. And that's what this reflection allows me to do. It lets me see the class through your eyes, see what's working, see what's not, see what maybe I could do better for the next set of students who come through Shakespeare. So please take some time to do this reflection. Be honest, brutally honest if you want to. Uh, it just gets a grade for being done. Like, I'm not gonna grade it by like, oh, I like this answer or I don't. Like, if you did it, you get all the points. So like, don't worry about it. I'm really excited to see what you guys think of the class, what you enjoyed, what worked well, and absolutely what you might change for next time, because I love being able to tweak this class and make it just a little bit better every time. So thank you for investing in this and giving me some feedback so that I can get better as well. And that rounds out our time together. I am hoping to have all of our grades up to date by the 16th, is kind of my plan. I have to turn in final grades to the administration on the 20th. After that point, I don't get to have any power over the grades anymore. They're done. I can't access them anymore. So I'm planning on having grades up to date by the 16th. That'll give you a couple days to reach out. If you have any questions, I'm going to upload those final grades at noon on the 20th. Um, so after that time, I can't do anything with the grade. So please, please, please reach out before Monday at noon to get help or get questions answered if you have any. Because after that point, all my power goes away. So grades will be done by the 16th. Reach out before the 20th if you have questions, and have a great summer. It's been so much fun doing this class with you guys. Thank you for all of your amazing work. And have a great finals week.